Hey everyone, it's Mari here for Honeybee Stamps. I'm going to be creating this card that you can see here, and I'm going to be using this really cool new stencil called the Patina stencil. This is a really fun tool for creating a patina effect on your paper. I'm starting out here with Salvaged Patina distress paint, and I'm just brushing it onto a piece of 100-pound white cardstock. Now once that's dry, I'm going to go in with another product. This is copper shine gilding polish from Cosmic Shimmer, and I'm just pouncing this copper color through the patina stencil, and this is just going to create that impression of a patina on the paper. So I'm just going to do the peel reveal here, and there you can see this really cool pattern that's actually really nice and shiny as well. Now once that copper shine gilding polish is dry, I'm going to go in with the applicator and add a little bit of the polish around the edges as well, and that's just going to finish off the edge of that paper really nicely. I'm also going to be using this Shield Layering Frames die set. This is brand new with the Adventure Awaits collection. Very neat, and I wanted to use this larger shield section here for my project. I'm going to use that to cut away this center section, and so there you can see that just is going to create a really neat focal point for my project. I'm going to go ahead and glue the card front onto an A2 size card base, and I just used my Honeybee liquid adhesive there to adhere that onto the card base. And now I'm going to have this cutaway section that I'm going to pop up on some foam adhesive and adhere into that opening. Now, I'm also going to be using the Lovely Layers Lures die set, and this is just a really cool set that is going to allow you to create a bunch of little fishing hooks. Now, I've cut them out and I'm going to apply some color to them with Dina Wakley Gloss Spray. I'm using turquoise and cheddar to colorize these two different pieces for my Lovely Layers lure. So I'm going to add the cheddar colored one, the kind of orangey yellow one, onto that turquoise base. And I've cut out all of the other pieces for this lure as well. And I'm going to add the little black eye into the eye spot, and then I'll add the hook onto the tail end there. I've colored these in black ink, actually black soot Distress Oxide ink. And I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid adhesive onto that hook and get that adhered onto my lure. There's also another little piece that die cuts away from the lure set for the other little end, and that's the end that you would put the fishing line through. And now I'm going to take a little bit of black soot Distress Oxide ink, and I'm just going to add a little bit more of a grungy look to my project by adding some of that Distress Oxide ink in that way. So I'll just go ahead and blend that around all of the outside edges of my card front. And now I'm putting the sort of mask that I created when I cut away this shield part. I'm going to put that over top of the front of my card and add a little bit of that black soot to the shield portion there edges. And I'm also going to add that to the black soot to this white die cut piece that's also die cut from the gorgeous Shield Layering Frames dies. I'm going to center this white piece onto that shield front, and now I'm going to take my lure and add that onto the front of my card as well. So I popped this up on some foam adhesive also, and I'm just making sure that that's in the perfect little spot there on my lure. And I'll take the backer off and just go ahead and add that on. Now this is a new sentiment set from the Adventure Awaits collection. This is called Hooked on You. And this just has so many great sentiments in it. It's a really, really great sentiment set. It does have a coordinating die set as well, and it coordinates really nicely with the fishing theme. That's part of the Adventure Awaits collection. So really love that sentiment set a lot. And I definitely am going to use that on this project here. So definitely go over to the Honeybee website and check out all of the different Adventure Awaits pieces for this release. It is just a really fantastic release, and just a really, really different kind of collection. So really excited about it. This is the sentiment that I used here. You can see that I've stamped that out in black, and the sentiment is "I'm hooked on you," which works really well. I think this is going to be a really great Father's Day card. Friends, I linked up to all of the different elements that I've used in this project in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching today. Have an amazing day, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.